Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel.
Today we're making keto candy, and this is the crunchy caramel candy that I had promised you guys in another video, and I'm going to link that one on the screen as well as in the description.
So let's talk about the sweetener. Is completely keto and it's not only keto, it's extremely good for you. It's called inulin, or you can buy it in this form, which is a mixture of different kinds of fibers. These are actually natural sugars.
I'm using about 3.5 to 4 tablespoons of this fiber, and I also have a video talking about the benefits of eating this fiber. I'm going to point you to that video too. And this is some whipping cream, and I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of butter, as well as few drops of eclair essence, which is completely optional. I've made these wonderful keto candies using this, and I've already shared that recipe too, so check that out. The link is going to be on the screen as well as in the description. Now we've put it on the burner, and you want to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes till everything dries up and it looks like this, almost a caramel color. Then while it is hot, you have to pour it in molds. The way I'm doing it, you can use any molds of your choice. Use smaller ones because smaller quantity is more than enough at one time. And these are such that you are going to gorge on them, and which is not a bad thing. Now since it had cooled down a little too much for me, I put it in the microwave for another 10 seconds. And within few minutes, like 10 minutes, it's going to harden. I got it out, and then you can let it completely cool and store it in a jar or in the refrigerator if you want, but they are not going to last you too long. Trust me on this. Also, if you're interested, check out my course on nutrition that I have designed, and there's a link for that too in the description section.
Click the like button, subscribe to my channel, write it out in the comments section. Also follow me on all of my other social media handles. Don't forget to share my channel with your friends and family. And thanks for watching. Bye.